everybody, guess what? It is time for me to show you guys my coupon inserts. I just woke up, went outside, found out it's snowing. Joy. But I'm here to show you guys what I have. I have no idea what I got. I haven't even turned my computer on. So here it is. My red plums just feel like a joke. So we got $2 off of 2 DiGiorno. We got $3 off Advil, Robitussin, Advil, Eggland's Best. I got some bread coupons. Azteca tortilla shells, 25 cents, and that seems to be about it. Yep, that's how awesome my red plum has been lately. Now we got another Smart Source. We got Blue Diamond. Those are pretty decent coupons. We got Halos, $1 off Johnson, Sugardale. I like their bacon. Their bacon's actually pretty decent. Domino Sugar. We got a ton of Dollar General ads, 75 cents off of 2 Honey Maid, 55 cents off of 2 Blistex, Meatballs, Fire Grilled Chunks. Yeah, that sounds good. Blasted Shreds Honey Toast Crunch cereal. Okay, that sounds interesting. Merry Calendar. We got Band deodorant, 50 cents off of 3 for Kleenex. Yay, we got these coupons back. $1 off of 1, and then 50 cents off of 2 bars. I'm excited to use that. 50 cents off of the Hershey's Gold coupons. That's a great coupon. We got $2 off diapers and $1 off of wipes. Again, awesome coupon. PetSmart. I have never seen PetSmart coupons, so we got PetSmart. 75 cents off of Bumblebee Tuna, or whatever. 50 cents off of Scott, $1 off of 2 Schneider's, Hormel Chili, Bayer, Presser Vision, Coffee, White Castle, hell of a good dip. We got Cordis, I don't even know how to pronounce that, 50 cents, 50 cents. $2 off of Kiwi, 25 cents off of Ajax, $3 off of Poise and Depends, more Dollar General ads, and then 40 cents off of 2 for Sargento cheese. Now we're in the Unilever, so we got that. I got $1 off of Suave, $1 off of Suave, Country Crocker, 40 cents off to Lipton, $1 off of Heilmann's. Axe, $1 off. Buy one, get one free of the body spray. $3 off of 2. That's a great coupon. We got $1 off of 2 body wash. 50 cents. 50 cents. We got $1 off bar soap, body wash, deodorant. $1 off of the Derma series product. Oh, that's weird. And then we have $3 off of shampoo and conditioner and $2 off the Dermacare. A lot of your guys' Unilever should be about the same. Noxzema, Dove Men Care, $1.50 off Vaseline, Caress, and then Polygrip Biotin. So we got that. And then the P&G, most of you guys should have it. I never get tied. Look at that. Never get tied. But we got Secret. I'm just going to go through this, guys, because yours should be exactly the same as mine. Yeah. This is all the same. Oh, look at that. My ads are upside down. What's up with that? Okay. So we got that, and now they're upside down. So we got buy one, get one free, $2 off that, $3 off of Tampax, always. This is something new. It's deodorant in a little ball. That's interesting. Olay body wash, $4 off of 2, $4 off of 2, Pantene. Olay, 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 olay. And that is it. So that was in my inserts. Hope you guys have similar, but you guys probably have better. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.